glad to see everyone again. I think it's an exciting time for the
Yes.
Flight 6 launch. It's just about a month after Flight 5, which was very spectacular. But this time they can make it pretty fast. The second time after the first chopstick catch.
Yes. So we will go through the replay. So this is the launch. So yes, so they launched it. How is the launch, Victor? It looks good.
Yeah, it is showing all these engines are firing, and none of them is failing.
Okay, that's good. What's the like white cloud on the next to the machine? Is it that's the coolant or what are they?
I think these are like outgassing.
Oh, outgassing, I see. So yeah, as you said, every engine is I on, and let's see. Okay, so here, so now it's so hard to see. So around 2 minutes 13 seconds, 14, 15. Separation. So here is the separation. Let's capture the separation. So this time is the separation was good too?
I think they did very well. I think the separation with the hot staging, it's like last two times.
Okay.
After they fixed the separation, I think the flight of 3, they have an explosion.
Oh.
But they do the hot staging. They make the inner stage. So they will actually ignite the second stage when the first stage is still going through the thrusting process.
Okay. Hey, Victor, in here they separated, but as you see the super heavy booster, the head is kind of going down. That's I don't understand. You see, but engine is on the backside. Engine should be heavy. They have to down like this. Why they down like this? Because of the fuel is heavy, then the engine is safe.
Well, it's just a trajectory. I think it's horizontal, going horizontal toward the Gulf.
Well, but why? Isn't bottom heavy?
I think it's quite a bit. It's horizontal right now, so I'm not. I don't think it's. They have to make the center gravity correct, and no matter what. So
okay.
It's not a question of which one is heavy, but they can control it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm surprised also all the engine is turned off, but they kind of not spinning, I learned when you up, you spin either biggest inertia or smallest inertia, but it just calm me down. That's kind of interesting. I don't know, they use some kind of trick.
Yeah, they have to control the roll. You're saying the spin. That it should not be rolling.
Okay, so somehow they control it. So that's the what's this
I think actually when they're still launching before the third minute, I think they have to think about the attitude of the booster. They still want it to recapture it, and so in the middle of it, I think they're sensing whether or not the tower antenna and all these tower angle is all right. So the tilting, as you see that the booster tilting is preparing for the recapture first, but then they
okay, I see.
They abort it because of the after they find out the antenna is slanted.
Okay. So this is, I think, the view. They go to the other side of Earth, so it's dark, the Indian side, and all the engine is turned off. I know one of Elon Musk, the main goal and his advertisement was, marketing was, they want to reignite the engine. And I believe they carry banana inside of the second stage. And here, yeah, I think that's the banana
Yeah,
floating in the.
it's so funny, and they actually put organic. They want to put in something organic inside.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
But isn't there really cold inside?
I think so. I think after um after they reach orbit, I think it's getting cold. But they're temperature controlling there. I think it's
Oh,
not.
they come. How about pressure control?
Pressure control, but I think it's
Pressure
not.
control too.
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't think it's human rated temperature. It's cold, like you said. It should be
I
cold,
see.
like you said. Yeah.
Okay. So we will go fail forward. Yeah, banana is keep showing it, so kind of fun. And let me see. So they keep
It seems like
down.
it's a big it's a huge spacious inside.
Yeah, I know. They
Pretty
can
big, pretty
they
big.
can like also now they re-enter and oh sorry, let me check some section. I believe they reignite the engine, the power. I don't see that one in the video. Oh, okay. Oh, here, maybe here. Oh, no. So in here, okay, let's see. So this one is, this one is down.
Yeah, this is back to the
Back
Gulf.
yeah. This
I
time
think
they crashed on the ocean.
it's landing pretty straight down.
Yeah,
They
straight
exploded
down.
afterwards. They exploded
Yeah.
afterwards. I don't think we can see it here, but
Yeah. I know future President Trump came to see that one, the hugging. He said that the baby, like baby hugging. But unfortunately, he wasn't see. So I think Elon Musk probably embarrassed and he probably fired some engineer and mechanics. So it's
it is unexpected. Definitely unexpected. I'm not sure they're going to
unexpected.
fire somebody, but this is a test. So a test is supposed to be not completely expected. You know, something happens that's not. It's out of control.
Okay.
But I think it's pretty much they aborted it, and they landed the booster in a straight down manner, with the retroburn correctly controlling the attitude. So it's still a pretty good flight.
Fly, okay. Yeah, so in this the stage, the altitude 100, yeah, they turn off the engine and let me see, they turn on again because they keep turning on small 3 engine. Oh, what's the engine difference between big one and small one, Victor?
Yeah, this is the inner. This is Starship. This is Starship engine. So they're using only 3 center engines of the Starship.
Yeah,
So
but the size of the outer 3 and the inner 3 is totally different. What are they different model?
I think they're the size because of they're suborbital, but it's close to orbital. So it's a vacuum out there. So they need a bigger nozzle for space. That's the difference between being in orbit. But the size difference is as you go. If you're in space, the nozzle should be bigger to expand into space.
Okay. Also, I still see a lot of debris. What's going on? Is something damaged on the video? You see the debris here and there?
Yeah, I can see those. I think those are maybe some of these debris from from icing or the gas. Not sure.
Okay. So
Mhm.
it's not actually the body.
Right.
Okay. So let's go back to the yeah. So they tilted. Okay. So this is an interesting section. So as you see, they kind of going down with here. So they going down like belly down, but they start doing this kind of motion. Why? They shouldn't be this kind of motion, head down.
Yeah, I think this is one of these trial to make sure they actually upgraded the different tiles.
Mm-hmm.
So the way they put the tiles in one side and remove some tiles on the other side. So
Uh-huh.
they're tilt in the way that the tiles are facing down. So it's a control to make sure they're not using the untiled section of the starship.
That's why they put the bottom down.
I think they put the tiles over there as much as they want to tilt it. Actually, they tilted a little more steep this time.
Yeah,
To stress it.
let's in this section they
To stress the and see if the tiles can stand the plasma heat.
so as you see they don't turn on any engine. How they maneuver? They have a different engine, right? Different booster around the body.
Right.
Otherwise,
They have other side
I don't want. Okay.
side propulsion units. Yeah.
Okay. So let's see. Yeah, they start tilting it, and that's it. Like interesting stuff. I know the special they coming down like this way too, and I don't know the Starship wanna do same way.
Yeah, they actually upgraded and also maybe replaced some of these elements at the flap area. They want to test the flap area because those are the things that you saw that was going wrong in the first flights. That you can see the plasma also eating into the joints right before. So they try to remove some of the material, but also upgrade it with some other joint materials. So this is part of the reason to stress it with some with the steeper angle, so that they know that the upgrades are holding up.
I see. So now they completely as you said that they testing. Maybe you said it's a TV, right? They were testing for TV. So they completely now stand, right?
Yeah, almost like standing up. Yeah, very steep angle. It's like 70 something degrees right there.
So this is for they probably put like this. As you said the belly landing. That's like one of concern, you know. Space shuttle they have a wing, so you can kind of do this one. But let's say we put the human in here. Let's say we do like we flip it. You think they can recover or all die?
Oh, if it's flipped, I don't think
flipped
you want to do that. I think that
no, accidentally something wrong.
Mhm.
You think you can recover? This one is kind of symmetric. How they can recover?
Oh, they're definitely roll controls. I think the engines would be powerful enough to do the rollback if there's to do the recover if something went wrong.
Okay, so now they're coming down. The altitude is still 100 kilometer. I don't know also why SpaceX using the international unit, not the empirical unit. Aerospace they use all the
Metric units, yeah.
yeah. Why they use the metric unit? Aerospace they use the empirical unit, right? Pound and mile.
Well, actually, NASA wants to wants to change to the metric. I think the metric is more standard, but it costs money. So actually,
cost money and
a lot of money.
also hard to understand 100 kilometer, how many miles? So like 60 miles, right?
Right, about that
60 miles.
60 miles.
Okay, so they coming down and they're showing this one plasma and what? Okay, so in here they show the okay 72 mile. What's the red one? Is that's another plasma, just plasma? The yellow one.
I think still some of these plasma surrounding the vehicle.
Okay, so this time nothing burning, right?
I think they reported some intrusion to the joints, but they're not enough to crash it.
Okay. You mean crash means they're unstable. So I continue my concern. If this one is empty, but if you put a lot of things, you think they can control it? I know without even any way they had to protect them. You think they will do the top when they put everything inside? What do you think?
Yeah, I think that the fins would be the fins that will actually be used to control the attitudes would be enough to even people are put in there.
Oh, you think the pin size is enough to they hold all the temper?
Right.
Okay. Yeah, I just the station, the cave and the cave. This one just look like Siga shape. So I'm kind of upset. We going back to the old style.
Yeah, they want to actually this time also they want to reduce weight as much as possible. So they remove some tiles.
Awesome.
Also, they use a lighter fins. So all of these are optimized a little more than little better than last time in terms of weight.
Okay.
And I think they're gonna fly the Block 2, which is a much larger vehicle, and of course the bigger fins for the attitude control.
Okay. So now it's coming down. I think it's the ocean, right? Ocean or it's ocean, right?
It is close to closer. It's Indian Ocean, yeah.
Indian Ocean. So Indian Ocean.
Toward Australia.
But how I can still see the plasma? That's strange. Is it plasma or fire?
I think heat's. I think a little. I guess it's still plasma.
Oh, plasma. Oh, it's still
16,000 kilometers per hour.
Okay. Right. So let's see. Okay. So this is 49, 46. Let's go. Yeah, 27 mile. 27 kilometers. Sorry.
Now you can see the plasma is gone. I think that depending on the speed, mostly the speed is driving the heat.
Oh, okay. So let's see, speed. Oh, yes, like 18,000.
18,000 down to
15,000.
10,000.
And okay, around 10,000 they stop.
Right.
But also altitude. Okay. So in here around 10,000.
We can actually tell you when. We can see when it is when the plasma is completely gone.
Okay.
Well, so a lot of people are watching it. I think even the Houston people, the representative of the Republican, Ted Cruz,
Yeah, I saw that too. You're seen it. And I saw the Space Force, the general, he was there too with President Trump because President Trump is come and everybody was there
To support. Yeah.
to support. Let me just quickly my picture. I'm kind of dying. Sorry for interrupt. Yeah, President continue to explain to the audience.
It's
So what's going on here?
it's spectacular.
No, what's going on in here? They why their altitude is not decrease? Oh, they didn't decrease.
It's still 15 kilometers. I think it's some
So
of the
but then
clouds.
speed
Some of the
doesn't
clouds
make
are.
sense.
We can see some of the clouds over there.
But the speed is like 600 kilometer per hour.
It's like a
Altitude.
jet. It's like a jet speed.
Okay. So let me pass to 4. Okay. So now 1 kilometer.
Yeah, it's going through the clouds. It's going through the clouds. It's better than last time. When last time it was all night time. This is
All right. Okay.
this is daylight, so we can see more of it, much more of what's
Okay.
going on.
So now they try to stand up, right?
Right, right. And try to stand upright, to go upright and do the retro burn.
And let's see, they can do that. Now 1 kilometer, 0 kilometer, still not stand up. Oh, they burn again.
Oh, yeah.
They stand up.
Yeah, the retro burn kicks in. I think that only the 3 center engines are needed to do these retro burn.
Yeah, but one dead.
Yeah, one died.
One died. So that's intentional or it was an accident?
I'm not very sure, but pretty much they can use 2 at the last moment. It's not as massive as the booster.
Okay. So they know the landing spot, and this is from probably nearby the boat, right?
I suppose that they should have some people, in the retrieval team going to do some of the retrieval job.
Oh, native job. They wanna people. I know. So this is the end of the landing. I know the China. They are doing similar thing already, and that's very interesting. They failed it, but yeah, somebody come and grab the machine. You have to grab the machine.
Oh, you're talking about the Chinese retrievable bucket?
Yeah. They explode it, but probably SpaceX, probably the computer is already copied entirely from China by China. They just don't know. I know because one of my company, they
Yeah.
get the same thing.
Mm.
They find out after 3 months. Boeing hacked it, Lockheed Martin hacked it. Have we seen the China new the stealth bomber? They are exactly look like same with the F-35.
Yeah, I think people are, you can say they copy each other, especially I think it's SpaceX driving the innovation.
Yeah,
It's nobody.
not each other. Copy only one side. America work hard, and China hack, and North Korea hack too. I think, but the best hacker is North Korea. Last year they said they stole just one Bitcoin, $900 million. So
$900 million
Bitcoin.
in North Korea.
North Korea. That's why they develop a lot of the ballistic missile. You think where they get the money to develop?
Ah. Oh, I
So
don't know.
So
Something-
let's put aside the other bad nation. Victor, can you evaluate overall about this?
Yeah, I think it's still very spectacular. That nothing blew up, and all these the structures hold up to the launch. Interstage separation was quite perfect. As they don't blow up like the Flight 3, and so they make they kept what they need to do. Of course, because of some of the unexpected like happenings, like the antenna was slanted, and they discovered it, and they sensed it, and they didn't commit to do to come back and use the Macazilla catch. So they make a good call. They made a good call, and it did control the booster all the way down to straight down into the Gulf, and then also the reignition of the new Raptor engine was also done. So they succeeded, reigniting.
But I don't see they reignite in the outer space.
They did reignite the new engine.
Oh no, I didn't see that in the video. How come?
I'm not sure they show it in this video.
Okay.
But you can see from other sources, and they did have that the footage.
Oh, okay, that's interesting because this is the SpaceX the official video.
Yeah, I don't think they have everything in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
And the Starship landing, they want to stress the new the tile configurations. They removed the tiles last. There's a ship 31.
Okay.
So I want to try out different upgrades to the fin, and reduce some weight, and stress it, and they don't mind even if they don't you know, if they break apart or something, they want to stress it until they see it break. So this is really a stress test, and they did it okay.
I see. Yeah, I just the
I think everybody's looking forward to the Flight 7. And do you think that Flight 7 is going to be launched within a year or next year?
I think this year. And I heard that they got like 25 launch allowance for next year. 27 or 25. Let me check. Starship, next year launch. The year launch, for the launch.
Yeah, I heard the next Flight 7 would incorporate, I think, double the payload. I think for the new engines and the new size. So there may be a chance that they don't, you know, I think more likely that they will launch next year, early next year, because of the different, completely different mass structure.
So yeah, according to news, the next year Starship has a 25 launch commission. So it looks like twice a month. But
Yeah, they have a good, you know, there's running, like you said, it's running a portion of the manufacturing fast. You know, they need 33 Raptor engine each time. So the whole ship needs to, you know, to have brand new engines, and the manufacturing capability is notable. It's you know, it's never done before. It's the speed of constructing these engines. It's never done before. So we should be proud of the whole you know, engineering speed, and you know, they make it out of steel and all these simplified ways of doing things.
Okay, everyone, this is our episode 5. Thank you for watching this episode. And for next space Starship launch, we probably can do the live stream, so we can do more fun. And Victor and I will be ready. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.